Deep in Wood Buffalo National Park, Alberta, Canada, lies the world's largest beaver dam, an astonishing 850 meters long, more than twice the length of the Hoover Dam. This colossal structure, built by generations of beavers, was hidden from human eyes until a researcher spotted it on satellite images in 2007. The dam is so massive it's visible from space, a testament to the beaver's power to reshape the land. The pond it created holds about 70,000 cubic meters of water, transforming the area into a thriving wetland. This ecosystem now supports countless species, all thanks to the beaver's relentless building. Built from sticks, mud and stone, the dam challenges our ideas of animal engineering. It's a living, evolving structure, maintained and expanded by each new beaver generation. More than a record breaker, it's a symbol of the beaver's role as a keystone species, creators of entire ecosystems. Beavers are nature's terraformers, turning simple landscapes into water-rich habitats teeming with life. The story of this dam invites us to look closer at the hidden, vital work of beavers everywhere. The discovery of the giant Canadian dam inspired NASA to see beavers from a new perspective, literally. In 2023, NASA teamed up with beaver researchers to use satellite imagery to track beaver impacts across Idaho. High-resolution images revealed how beaver dams spread water, create ponds, and boost vegetation health. By comparing beaver-rich areas to those without, scientists could see the dramatic difference beavers make over time. NASA's satellites offered a bird's-eye view, while biologists studied the details on the ground. This partnership showed how a small animal can transform entire landscapes. The data confirmed what ecologists suspected. Reintroducing beavers is a powerful way to restore damaged ecosystems. Satellite images became tools for conservation, showing landowners and policymakers the real benefits of beavers. From space, beavers are revealed not as pests, but as ecosystem engineers, making our world more resilient. Their work helps landscapes withstand drought, fire, and the challenges of a changing climate. Before NASA's satellites, Idaho was the stage for one of wildlife management's wildest stories. In the 1940s, beavers rebounded from near extinction, but their dams clashed with growing towns and farms. Idaho Fish and Game needed a solution that spared the animals. So, they hatched a bold plan: parachute beavers into remote wilderness. In 1948, beavers were loaded into special wooden boxes, attached to surplus military parachutes, and dropped into the Chamberlain Basin. Upon landing, the boxes opened and the beavers walked out to start new lives. Operation Beaver Drop was a surprising success. 75 out of 76 beavers survived and quickly adapted to their new home. This quirky chapter marked a shift in thinking. Beavers weren't just nuisances but potential agents of ecological restoration. Wildlife managers saw that relocating beavers could heal wild places in need of water and biodiversity. The parachuting beavers became pioneers, setting the stage for modern conservation. Their story is a reminder that creative solutions can turn conflict into opportunity. Idaho's airborne beavers prove that sometimes helping nature means thinking outside the box, literally. It was an early recognition of beavers as powerful environmental engineers. Their legacy lives on in the thriving landscapes they helped create. The parachuted beavers didn't just survive, they transformed Idaho's wilderness. Their descendants spread through creeks and valleys, building dams and creating lush wetlands. Decades later, NASA's satellites reveal the results. Beaver-rich areas are dramatically greener and more diverse than their surroundings. Simple creeks became mosaics of ponds, marshes, and meadows, fueling an explosion of plant life. Studies show beaver presence boosts plant diversity by a third, making the landscape richer in every way. In 2018, when wildfires swept Idaho, beaver wetlands acted as natural fire breaks, green oases that refused to burn. These habitats sheltered countless animals, proving their value as buffers against disaster. Beaver-created wetlands aren't just beautiful, they're crucial for resilience in a changing climate. The Idaho experiment shows that restoring beavers is a natural, effective way to heal and protect our ecosystems. A few dozen parachuting pioneers sparked a green revolution. Their work offers a powerful lesson. Sometimes, the best restoration comes from letting nature's engineers do what they do best. The beaver's instinct to build is the force behind these dramatic transformations. With iron-fortified teeth, beavers fell trees and gather branches, anchoring them in stream beds with rocks and mud. They weave sticks into a dense lattice, filling gaps with mud and vegetation to create a semi-permeable dam. The goal isn't to stop water, but to slow it, forming a deep pond. Why all this effort? Safety. Beavers are vulnerable on land but swift in water. The pond becomes their fortress, protecting them from predators and giving them easy access to food. The deeper the water, the safer the beaver, so they constantly maintain and raise their dams. The dam is their workplace, the key to their survival strategy. It lets them float heavy branches, reach food, and build their true home, the lodge. Every stick and scoop of mud is driven by the need for a safe, watery world. Through their building, beavers create habitats that benefit countless other species. Their instinctive engineering is nature's blueprint for thriving wetlands. Contrary to popular belief, beavers don't live in their dams. The dam is their workplace. Their true home is the lodge, built in the pond the dam creates or burrowed into the bank. The lodge, a mound of sticks and mud, is a fortress with underwater entrances that keep predators out. Inside, beavers emerge into a lower chamber to dry off, then climb to a cozy living area above the waterline. The thick walls insulate against winter cold and summer heat, while a loose patch at the top acts as a ventilation shaft. The lodge isn't just for beavers. Other animals, like muskrats and waterfowl, often take shelter there too. Canada geese nest on top, safe from predators, and muskrats dig their own chambers into the sides. The beaver's home becomes a hub for wetland life, boosting biodiversity. Every lodge is a testament to beaver ingenuity and their role as community builders. Their homes help turn ponds into thriving ecosystems for many species. Beavers' work goes far beyond their own survival. It shapes the environment for everyone. Their wetlands act as natural sponges, absorbing floodwaters and releasing them slowly to prevent downstream flooding. During droughts, beaver ponds hold water long after streams dry up, sustaining wildlife and recharging groundwater. These wetlands are also powerful carbon sinks, trapping carbon in soil and sediment. Recognizing these benefits, our view of beavers is changing, from pest to partner in restoration. Conservationists now relocate beavers to revive degraded streams and build climate-resilient habitats. Modern methods are gentler, but the goal is the same: let beavers heal the land. By reintroducing beavers, we enlist nature's best builders to restore biodiversity and prevent disasters. The future of conservation is furry, sustainable, and built on the work of beavers. With beavers on our side, we can create a greener, more resilient planet for generations to come.